We've all been there. Your phone screen shatters, or your car starts making a sound that definitely wasn't there yesterday. Your first thought: this is going to cost a fortune. But what if I told you that you already have the solution to fix it yourself? This is Webrary Part 2. First up, iFixit.com. They're a global community of tinkerers on a mission to teach the world how to fix everything. Their philosophy is simple: if you can't open it, you don't own it. At iFixit.com, you'll find thousands of free, step-by-step repair guides with high-resolution photos that walk you through the toughest repairs. They even rank devices with a repairability score so you know what you're getting into before you buy. They don't just show you how, they give you the tools. iFixit designs custom precision toolkits and sources high-quality replacement parts so you have everything you need to get the job done right. Don't let your electronics end up in a landfill. Save your gear, save your money, and join the right to repair movement. Head over to iFixit.com and start fixing. Next up, CarCareKiosk.com. CarCareKiosk is a massive, free library for car repair with over 60,000 how-to videos. Unlike generic tutorials, these are vehicle-specific. You just enter your car's year, make, and model, and you get step-by-step instructions filmed by expert mechanics on your exact car. From simple stuff like replacing a burnt-out headlight or checking your oil, to more technical fixes like battery swaps and air filter replacements, they show you every screw, clip, and tool you'll need. No guesswork, no universal parts that don't fit, just clear professional guidance. The best part, it's completely free. Shops often charge for a 5-minute fix. CarCareKiosk empowers you to do it yourself, safely and correctly, so you can keep your money in your pocket and your car on the road. Don't wait for the next breakdown. Head to CarCareKiosk.com today and prepare for the repair. Your wallet will thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Webrary.